In order to running and developing Laravel project in our local machine, we need to install development environment in our local machine. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to install the Laravel development environment in the Windows machine. There are many options to install development environment in one package installer. For Windows machine, WAM and SAM is popular options. If you want to install WAM, please go to wamserver.com official website and download the package there. Or if you want to install SAM, just go to apacheprens.org and choose the package to download. One cool thing about SAM is also provide for various operating systems such as Linux and Mac. But now MySQL is replaced with MariaDB, which is community developed of the MySQL. For this lesson, I'm going to install WAM server. I'm using 64-bit, so here I choose this package. Here we got the message. Just ignore it and click download directly link. I'm going to pause the video and we'll be back after download finished. Here I finished download the package. Just double click to install the package and follow the instruction. Choose the language and click OK. Click the next button. Click I accept the agreement checkbox and click next. And here we have to read the instruction carefully. This software needs Visual C++ redistributable package version 9 to 14, and here we provided several links to download the packages. So before install the package, please check the package in your local machine. Just install the packages that has not installed in your local machine. Here in my local machine, all the packages has installed except the last one. So here I click the link, download, and wait for a while. Okay, the package has installed successfully, so we can continue install the WAM server. Click next. Choose the destination where the WAM server would be installed and hit next button. Here I get message to choose the default browser. By default, it is Internet Explorer as default browser. If you want to change the other browser, just click the Yes button and choose the location of where the browser is installed. Here I got another message to choose the default editor. By default, it's Notepad. If you want to change, just click Yes button and choose the location of the editor installed. Here, for example, I choose Sublime Text. It's almost done. Click next button and finish. Okay, we have installed our development environment successfully. Now let's go to our browser and enter localhost. And here is the default WAM server homepage. And if you installed SAM, just do the same way and you would get default SAM server homepage show up. The difference between SAM and WAM is default document root location where we put our web apps. In WAM, we can put our web app in WAM www. But if we install SAM, we have to put our web apps in SAM htdocs. So now we have development environment installed, the next thing we have to do is install Composer, and I'll show you in the next lesson.